feeling overwhelmed? Because you're tracking down that idea you had 3 days ago, but you don't remember where you saved it. That's a problem of the past. Jot down your idea on the go and get back to it when you're ready. Next time you sit down behind your laptop, you simply convert the idea into a task. From there, you drop it into your focus section and set an alarm so you can actually implement. You get automatic weekly reminders to sort out your notes so they don't live in limbo forever. Need a high-level overview? Go to your seasonality timeline to plan markets, holidays, and launches. You can add action steps to each task and check things off as you go. The seasonality timeline is the overarching plan, the action checklists are big steps, and a task in the task manager is the detailed breakdown. Then there's your finances. Do you even know what you're paying for every month? This gives you a really clear overview of what's coming in and what's going out. The profit calculator helps you keep track of your profit margins so you don't run a sale and end up not making any money because your margins weren't clear. In the click and drop content calendar, you can plan your content visually. Get the plan out of your head and into the calendar so it doesn't keep spinning in your brain. And then to top it all off, you can make your goals actionable and actually celebrate them when you achieve them, like recording this video and ticking it off.